we are now providing 10,000 subsidy for each bus unit. Tapos yung method of payment, lahat ng klaseng method of payment today. We can do it via digital payment or GCash. You can go to the ATM. May mga card naman na may hawak naman, may card naman yung mga driver natin, at saka lahat ng operator na issue ng card. Pwedeng gamitin yun. Meron pa rin iilan na talagang gusto nila, hindi tayo nilang gawin digital. Kaya meron pa pwede mag-issue ng check-in. Kung talagang kahit cash, pwede pa rin. Pero siguro, mas maginhawa, it's easier, it's more practical. Pag as much as possible, ang gagawin natin ay digital payment. So, we are, tulungan nyo naman kami para yung mga ating riding public ay hindi masyadong mahirapan o muna at hindi sila masyadong mapigatan sa pamasahe. Dahil nga, alam naman natin kung ano yung pangyayari. Nagpapago yung presyo ng langis all over the world. Kaya ito ang response ng pamahalaan. And of course, we are always in need of assistance and support and cooperation with the operators, with the drivers, in yung buong sistema. So this is what we are doing here now.